Welcome to the Gyan Ganga quiz. Today's topic is English grammar, specifically focusing on conjunctions. Let's see how many you can get right. Before we dive in, if you enjoy testing your knowledge, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge from Gyan Ganga. Listen closely to the rules. We have 29 exciting questions lined up for you. You'll only have 5 seconds for each answer, followed by a detailed explanation. Make sure your video quality is set to high so you can see every detail. Stay till the end and don't miss your bonus learning gift. Are you ready? Let's begin the quiz. Choose the correct conjunction. I wanted to go __, I was too tired. The conjunction but is used to show contrast between two ideas or clauses within a sentence, indicating opposition or contradiction clearly. Select the correct conjunction. You can have tea __, coffee. The conjunction or is used to present alternatives or choices between two or more options within a sentence or clause. Fill in the blank. She studied hard __, she passed the exam. The conjunction so is used to show result or consequence, linking a cause with its effect in a sentence structure. Choose the correct conjunction. He is rich __, unhappy. The conjunction but connects contrasting ideas, showing that two statements are opposite or unexpected in meaning within a sentence. Select the correct conjunction. I will call you __, I reach home. The conjunction when is used to connect time-related clauses, indicating that one action happens after another specific event. Fill in the blank. He worked hard __, he failed. The conjunction but shows contrast between effort and unexpected outcome, linking two opposing ideas within the same sentence structure. Choose the correct conjunction. She is tired __, she is still working. The conjunction but expresses contrast between fatigue and continued action, joining two clauses with opposing meanings in a sentence. Select the correct conjunction. He can read __, write English. The conjunction and is used to join similar or related ideas, showing addition or combination of actions in a sentence. Fill in the blank. I stayed at home __, it was raining. The conjunction because introduces a reason or cause for an action, linking a result with its explanation in a sentence. Choose the correct conjunction. You must study hard __, you will fail. The conjunction or can show consequence or condition, indicating a negative result if the first action is not completed. Select the correct conjunction. She sings __, dances well. The conjunction and connects two similar actions or ideas, showing addition without contrast or condition between the clauses. Fill in the blank. He was late __, he missed the bus. The conjunction so shows that being late caused missing the bus, clearly linking cause with its result in the sentence. Choose the correct conjunction. I wanted to stay I had to leave. The conjunction but expresses contrast between desire and necessity, linking two opposing ideas in a sentence structure clearly. Select the correct conjunction. We can go by bus __train. The conjunction or presents alternatives or choices between two possibilities, indicating selection within the sentence structure. Fill in the blank. She was happy __, she won the prize. The conjunction because introduces a reason explaining why something happens, linking a motion with its cause in a sentence. Choose the correct conjunction. He is poor __, honest. The conjunction but shows contrast between financial status and moral quality, joining two opposing descriptive ideas in a sentence. Select the correct conjunction. I like apples __, oranges. The conjunction and joins similar items or ideas, showing addition of preferences without contrast or choice between them. Fill in the blank. Work hard __, you will succeed. The conjunction and links an action with its expected result, showing a positive sequence or condition in sentence structure. Choose the correct conjunction. He was tired __, he continued working. The conjunction but expresses contrast between tiredness and continued effort, connecting two opposing actions in a sentence. Select the correct conjunction. She missed the train __, she was late. The conjunction because explains cause or reason for an event, linking lateness with missing the train in a sentence. Fill in the blank. You may sit here __, there. The conjunction or presents a choice between two locations, indicating alternatives within a sentence structure. Choose the correct conjunction. He is smart __, lazy. The conjunction but shows contrast between intelligence and laziness, connecting two opposite qualities within a sentence. Select the correct conjunction. She studied well __, she passed. The conjunction so indicates result or consequence, linking studying with passing an exam in a cause-effect relationship. Fill in the blank. I will wait __, you arrive. The conjunction when connects time-based actions, showing that one event occurs after another specific moment in time. Choose the correct conjunction. He plays cricket __, football. The conjunction and joins related activities, showing addition of sports activities without contrast or selection between them. Select the correct conjunction. You must hurry __, you will be late. The conjunction or expresses consequence, warning about negative result if the first action is not completed quickly. Fill in the blank. She smiled __ she was sad. The conjunction but expresses contrast between outward expression and inner feeling, linking two opposing emotional states. Choose the correct conjunction. He is tall __ strong. The conjunction and connects similar descriptive qualities, adding two positive attributes of a person in a sentence. Select the correct conjunction. I will go __ it stops raining. The conjunction when links time-related clauses, indicating that one action depends on another event happening first. May God bless you with peace, good health, and happiness. Stay blessed and protected. Please do give a like if you find this informative. Thank you. Please go through the important points from conjunctions.